I think we are doing one big mistake in hiring right now. It feels efficient, but it will come back as a problem very soon. Companies are cutting juniors. Junior jobs are disappearing quietly, not with like big announcement, just quietly in real hiring. And we already see it in numbers. Like early career full-time posting were down like 15% in 2025. And 2026 does not look like a big comeback year. So for many junior roles, demand will be super weak. And why it's happening? Like it's very simple. One senior with good tools can do the same work of many juniors. Like not because juniors are bad, but like juniors can be great, but because a lot of junior tasks are now just AI automation. Let me give you a very real examples. Before you hire someone to update CRM, to clean spreadsheet, make a quick report, like send summary, like now founder can do this at night. You open Airtable or Notion, you connect Zapier, N8N, you throw data to ChatGPT or Claude, and in 1 hour you have clean data set, summary, and even nice email or report. So company looks at this and say, why I need a junior for this? And I understand the logic. It feels efficient, right? But here's the part I don't like. If everyone stops hiring juniors in 2025 and 2026, then in 2027, you will wake up and ask, where are my mid level people? And the answer is they didn't grow because they had no place to grow. So people don't become mid level from a course. They become mid level from boring work, real mistakes, real systems, and someone reviewing them. It's like if you cut off the first step of the stairs, you don't get a faster stairs, right? You just get no way up. So when I see companies proud, like we only hire seniors now, I'm like, okay, but you are creating a future hole. Now about specific roles. I don't mean these jobs will become zero in the world. I mean the junior version of this role will have very weak demand until the end of 2026 because tasks got eaten by AI. First, data entry, like just put it in spreadsheet or system. This is already replaced with Airtable automation, N8N, Make.com, and ChatGPT and Claude API for clean. So if needed, you just create a small script and it's done. Okay. Second, junior reporting analysts like dashboards and weekly slides. Today, ChatGPT or Claude can read the data, explain it, create narrative, and then you put it into Looker, Power BI, Tableau, whatever, right? So even basic SQL and AI is enough. Third, like first tier customer support, template, first AI chat, routing, FAQ answers. This is now Intercom Zendesk AI style assistant. Good knowledge base and like LLM to draft replies. Humans still needed, but like not 10 juniors answering same questions, okay? Fourth, like manual QA, just clicking around with no automation. So now you have Playwright, Cypress, and AI to generate test cases and help write tests. If product is simple, founder can cover a lot with scripted checks. And fifth, junior content role, where job is just producing volume. ECO, like SEO drafts, search engine optimizations, posts, and now you have a lot of tools. And with ChatGPT and Claude, like Grammarly, language tool for Polish, you can do a lot. Like one strong senior marketer can manage the output of few juniors. So yes, I think junior crisis is real, but it becomes company problem very fast. Because if we cut entry points, we cut our future mid-level pool. So what to do actually? If I hire juniors today, I would not hire them for like busy work roles. I would hire them where they touch outcome, like implementation or onboarding of new clients, operational workflows, some security or compliance operations, like level two support where you actually debugging, or analyst role like tied to decisions, not just slides. And because juniors still can be amazing value, just not in the old style and shape. So I'm curious how you see it. Please comment. Are you still hiring juniors today, or you already moved to senior plus AI only? Thank you. See you.